Hey, this is Zach. Welcome to Gear Talk. Today we're here to talk about the new wireless system from Shure Incorporated, the GLX-D Plus. We have a couple different things to go through. We're going to start with the GLX-D16. It is the new premium guitar system from Shure. Let's take a look at what is inside the box. So as I can notice, nice packaging, very, very nice retail box. Okay, lets you know what's inside the box itself. So let's take a look and see what else we got. Right off the bat, looks like we have a nice QR code for setup videos and warranty registration information. Make sure to scan that when you guys get it. Of course, what else we got here? We have a nice GLX-D16 manual, warranty information, limited warranty card. Looks like a couple of boxes of accessories. We'll see what's inside those in just a little bit. I want to get to the meat and potatoes. I want to see that new GLX-D6. So let's take a look here. Ooh, it's got some weight to it. I like that. So on the GLX-D16, GLX-D Plus 16, this thing is awesome. Nice metal construction, very, very nice button, which is cool. One thing I did notice is we did put an input and an output here, so you can actually have this go anywhere in your pedal board, which is nice. So very, very nice job there. Let me take this body pack out. Let me do this real quick, get this out of our way so we can see the stuff a little better. So let me come here. So there's the GLX-D. So this is your wireless receiver, right? And of course you need a wireless body pack to be able to throw onto the guitar. So here's the Shure GLX-D1 body pack. Nice metal construction as well. Looks like you can flip the belt clip to go either way. So you can wear it like this or like this, depending on if you're playing guitar or just speaking spoken word. Looks like we did update the antenna, so nice construction there. Toggle switch on there as well. USB-C port on the side to go about charging your battery. And let's see what else we have in regards to our accessories. Let's see here. Oh, of course, the lithium-ion rechargeable battery. So this is going to be the equivalent to 8,000 alkalines. It's going to give you roughly 12 hours of playtime. Cool thing about this battery too is if you do have if for some reason you did leave your transmitter on and you ended up having no battery life, 15-minute charge is going to give you an hour and a half. So very, very important. Very cool. Let's see here. Ooh, we have the premium threaded guitar cable. So nice threaded Neutrik connector on there. So you can have that secure connection to your pack. No problem there. Let's see here. Oh, it's the USB-C cable. And of course, it looks like this would be the wall charger for the USB-C. So how do you charge the battery with the GLX-D16? Battery lives inside the body pack. You plug the USB-C cable directly into the body pack and you would charge via the USB-C port right there. So we have one more bit of accessories here, and I think it is, if I had to guess, the power supply for the GLX-D16. Yeah, so power supply for the GLX-D16. So this is basically everything you have in the box. Let's go over it again. You got your GLX-D Plus 6 receiver. You have your GLX-D1 body pack. You have your lithium-ion rechargeable battery, your wall wart to charge your battery, your guitar cable, your USB-C cable, power supply, warranty card, manual, and of course, your good old QR code. Really appreciate you guys watching. Tune in for more. Have a good one.